I want you to rise like you were meant to. I want you to speak as if your heart is clenched between your teeth. Let the blood rush from those downtrodden veins to that amorphous conductor of lies you call a mouth. Rise like those worn out bones that were forged by the flames of your resistance. Rise like your eyelids, better yet, the curtains that open slowly, only to reveal a Broadway show that underpays its actors. Walk among the actors. You're one yourself with the way you pretend to hate and love when the only emotion you have ever felt was demotion. I've watched you drown in the quicksand of your own self loathing and suffocate because you think that even the air has rejected you. The air hasn't rejected you, but you're too hot headed. Don't you know that air rises with heat? Don't you know that your dead end is where our dark sides meet? Rise, rise despite being crushed by the relentless trampling of reality's steel heels and the iron giants of your artificial desires. Rise above the tyrannical gunfire of our so-called leaders. If our ears were bulletproof, we could fight back, but we've lost that war long ago. The only thing I can ask is that you rise like the wavering fingers of a woman across the strings of a harp. Bring your mouth above the dirt that has you buried neck deep and be heard. Try to be heard, not be one of the heard. It is truly outstanding how I am miraculously standing in front of you. I have risen, and now so must you. So I am lending out my helping hand, even though it is just a small strand of the person you think I am. I will help you rise. There. I've placed you exactly where I need you. Another mirror now hangs from my wall.